A development squad is setting up access permissions within the Databricks Unity Catalog. They decide to provide the analyst group with the select privilege on the sales catalog, anticipating that this will grant members read access to every existing and newly created schema, table, and view contained in that catalog. Which statement accurately represents how privilege inheritance functions within the Unity Catalog architecture?
Option A. Access permissions in Unity Catalog do not support inheritance. Select must be granted individually for every schema and table.
Option B. Providing select access at the catalog level intrinsically confers the same select access to all existing and future schemas, tables, and views within that catalog. Option C. Granting select at the catalog level covers existing schemas and tables, but new objects added to the catalog require additional grants. Option D. Privileges defined at the schema level take precedence over catalog-level settings, effectively negating parent-level access.
In my view, the correct answer is option B. Providing select access at the catalog level intrinsically confers the same select access to all existing and future schemas, tables, and views within that catalog.
This is because in Databricks Unity Catalog, the security model is hierarchical. When a privilege like select is granted at a parent level, such as a catalog, it is automatically inherited by all subordinate objects, including schemas, tables, and views contained within that catalog. This inheritance also applies to future objects, meaning any new schema or table added to the catalog will immediately be accessible. Option A is incorrect because Unity Catalog does support privilege cascading and inheritance. Option C is incorrect as it incorrectly implies a limitation on future objects that does not exist in the architecture. Option D is incorrect because schema-level permissions do not override parent-level grants in a way that negates access. Granted permissions at the top level remain authoritative for the hierarchy.